This set of Chalkola markers are amazing. They sent me this set so I could try them out. I haven't primed all the colors yet, but I have a few of them primed. To prime them, you just kind of push it a few times. I held it down on a couple of them and then primed a bit. Some of them were almost pre-primed. The color was coming down, but these work so well once you get them all primed up. And then to get it off, I just use this cloth that's wet. I've been messing around with them for a while now. It's just slightly damp and it just wipes right off. And then I guess you don't have to do it, but I've been just drying it off so I could keep drawing. They've been a lot of fun to use, and there is this huge array of 30 different colors. I haven't even pulled them all out of the box yet. So many colors, and the colors all pop and they're really bright. And I love the extra fine tip because my board's not super big, so I can put lots of detail into whatever I'm drawing on it.